Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new channel on Slack. So once you're inside Slack, on the left hand side, you will have the options here and you have the section called channels. And you can add a new channel or create a new channel. Just simply click on where it says add channel. Click on that. Click and create a new channel now. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose. So here you can choose from a few options here, but if you want to start with a blank channel you can. So go ahead and leave it in blank, click on next. Then you want to give your channel a name, so let's call this one video editing, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on create. Here you can also choose if you want to make the Slack private or public. You can, for the purpose here, I'm going to leave it on public. Click on create, and here you will see that it gives you the option to add people or add specific people. You can add someone to it, but for the purpose here, I'm going to just add it to all members on True Tutorial. So I'm going to leave it as is. Now once you're done, just click on add, and that's it. The new channel is created, and as you can see on the left one here, this one is called video editing. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.